Benedict Vilakazi, former Orlando Pirates midfielder, has come to defense of Patrick Masangwanyi, praising the Bucks star for his performance in Bafana Bafana's recent Africa Cup of Nations qualifier against Congo-Brazzaville. Despite facing criticism from some coaches, Vilakazi believes Masangwanyi put in a solid showing, especially given the pressure of the match. Tito, known for his skill with the ball, came off the bench to replace Mamelodi Sundowns captain Tito Masangwanyi, who was forced to exit the game due to injury. The match, which ended in a draw, left fans and pundits divided over the performances of certain players, including Tito, but Vilakazi is of the view that while the player missed some key opportunities, he showed promise and said he looked decent. Vilakazi was speaking on Itiski Times and said he had good touches and didn't lose the ball too often. It's just that in such tight games, any mistake gets magnified. When you get that chance, you have to make it count. Vilakazi pointed out a missed scoring opportunity from across as a moment Masangwanyi could have seized, but he was impressed with the midfielder's overall contribution, particularly his control and passing, and said he was supposed to cap his game off by tapping in that cross, which I believe was our only real chance. But overall, he had a decent game. The more he plays, the more he'll adapt to the system and to his teammates. The former Bucks star also emphasized the importance of experience in continental competitions like the CAF Champions League, saying that Masangwanyi's lack of exposure to high-tempo African football showed at times, and said you could see him making runs and chasing balls in moments where it wasn't necessary. That comes from a lack of CAF experience, but despite that, I'm happy with his performance. He'll only get better. Masangwanyi has been one of the standout performers for Orlando Pirates this season, quickly rising through the ranks with his impressive displays. However, transitioning that form into the national team has proven more challenging with the expectations weighing heavily on his shoulders. Meanwhile, Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Bross confirmed that Tito Masangwanyi, who left the field injured, will be sidelined for several weeks, likely ruling him out of the November international break. This could open the door for Masangwanyi to feature more prominently in the national team's upcoming fixtures. As the spotlight remains on the youngster, Vilakazi's words offer both encouragement and perspective. Masangwanyi's potential is clear. Consistent exposure to the demands of international football will be the key to unlocking his best performances for Bafana Bafana. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.